my dear students. Welcome to my online class. I am Shoma Rai, lecturer in English, Taikasa Government College, Taikasa, Khulna. I am your Shoma madam. Today I will discuss WH question. Firstly, I will discuss homework of my previous class. This class is for class 12. For class 12. Homework number 1. We left Bangladesh 10 years ago. Here, we subject, left verb, Bangladesh, object, then 10 years ago. Here, in my previous class, I discussed when. So, you know, when expresses the time. When expresses the time. Here 10 years ago is a time, and for this reason you will bring when. Then here there is no auxiliary verb. You know, there are two kinds of auxiliary verbs, primary auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries. Here there is no auxiliary verbs and left is the past form of the verb. So you will bring did as the auxiliary verb. When did. Then this is WH question rule number 2. When did, WH word, auxiliary verb, then subject. You know, I discussed rules in my previous class. So when did, subject we becomes you, because in WH question first person becomes second person. When did you, then main verb, WH word, auxiliary verb, subject, then main verb, leave. Then Bangladesh. Bangladesh. Then note of interrogation. Here 10 years ago is the answer, and you will remove the answer from the question. When did you leave Bangladesh? Then homework number 2. The examination will be held in January. Here the examination subject will. Here will is the auxiliary verb. So here held in January. In January expresses the time, a specific month. So in January, instead of January, you will bring when. When, then will, auxiliary verb, WH word, auxiliary verb. This is rule number 2. WH word, auxiliary verb, then subject, then verb, then etc. So when, will, subject, the examination. When will the examination, then rest of the sentence except answer be held. Be held. When will the examination be held? Then note of interrogation. Here in January is our answer, and we will remove the answer from the question. Then homework number 3. My mother will go in the next morning. Here in the next morning expresses the time, and instead of time you will bring when. Then auxiliary verb will, WH word, auxiliary verb, then subject, my mother. Here my is the first person, and in WH question first person becomes second person. So my becomes your. When will your mother When will your mother? Then go, main verb. When will, then not of interrogation. When will your mother go? Here in the next morning answer, and we will remove the answer from the question. Then homework number 4. Children play cricket on Sunday. Here on Sunday expresses the time, and instead of time you will bring when. Then play is the main verb, and there is no auxiliary verb here, and instead of main verb you will bring do as the auxiliary verb. So when do, then subject children. When do children, W is what auxiliary verb, subject, then verb, rest of the sentence except answer. So when do children play cricket? Then note of interrogation. And on Sunday, here answer, and we will remove the answer from the question. Then homework number 5. He came back home last night. Here last night is the time, and instead of time you will bring when, and you will follow rule number 2. When, here came is the past form of the verb, and because of past form you will bring did as the auxiliary verb. Then when did, subject he. When did he, then main verb come back home. Then note of interrogation. Here last night is the answer, and you will remove the answer from the question. My dear students, I hope you will take your paper and write on this hurriedly. The college will be closed in summer vacation. Homework number 6. The college will be closed in summer vacation. Here, summer vacation expresses the time, a specific time. So, instead of summer vacation, you will bring when. Then, auxiliary verb will, WH or auxiliary verb, second rule. Then subject, the college. When will the college then be closed? Here will is the auxiliary verb and be not. So here after college you will bring be, then closed. Then note of interrogation. Summer vacation is the answer, and you will remove the answer from the question. These 6 homeworks were our previous classes homework. So now we will discuss another WH word where I will clear my board. Please, my dear students, keep silent. I will discuss another WH word where. Where means place. Where means place, and instead of place, instead of any place, you will bring where. Instead of any place, you will bring where. In my previous classes, I discussed 2 rules, and as the same rules, you will I will discuss this portion and this word where. Rule number 1, W is word plus rest of the sentence plus note of interrogation, and rule number 2, W is word plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus rest of the sentence except answer. So I will give some example of where, and I will discuss and I will solve that examples. Those examples I will solve. I will solve those examples. Example number 1. I see the man last at the play. I see the man last at the play. Then example number 2. He came home Canada. He came home from Canada. Then example number 3. She spent many years in Japan. He spent many years in Japan. Please write down these examples in your paper. Example number 4. He has put the book under the table. He has put the book under the table. Then example number 5. I was born in a small village. I was born in a small village. My dear students, here number 1 example, I see the man last at the play. I see the man last at the play. Here at the play expresses a place, and instead of place you will bring where. Instead of place you will bring where. Then following rule number 2, you will bring auxiliary verb. Here there is no auxiliary verb, and as the auxiliary verb you will bring do. Where do, I here first person becomes second person, you. Where do you, then verb see, then rest of the sentence the man, then note of interrogation. Here the man, here the man last. At the play expresses place, and instead of place you will bring here, you brought here where, and at the play expresses the place, and you will remove here at the play also answer, and you will remove the answer from this question. Example number 2. He came home from Canada. Here Canada is a place, a specific country. So instead of country you will bring where. Instead of place you will bring where. Then came is the past form of the verb, and for the past form you will bring did as the auxiliary verb. Then subject he. Where did he, then main verb come, then home. Have you understood, my dear students? Where did he come home? Here, note of interrogation. From Canada is the answer, and you will remove the answer from the question. Example number 3. She spent many years in Japan. Here, she subject, spent verb, many years, object, and in Japan here expresses the place, and instead of place you will bring where. Then there is no auxiliary verb here, and spent is the past form of the verb, and for the past form you will bring did as the auxiliary verb. So where did, then subject she. Where did she, then main verb spent. Here you brought did as the auxiliary verb here, that is why spent comes here. Spent is the main verb of spent. So where did she spend many years? Where did she spend many years? In Japan is the answer, and you will remove the answer from the question. Then example number 4. He has put the book under the table. He has put the book under the table. And under the table is here a place, and instead of place you will bring where. Then has auxiliary verb, and here has is the primary auxiliary verb, you know. Where has, then subject he, then main verb put the book, then note of interrogation. Under the table here answer, and you will remove the answer from the question. Where has he put the book? Then example number 5. I was born in a small village. In a small village is a place, and instead of place you will bring firstly where. Then here was is the primary auxiliary. Where was, then I becomes you, because I first person in WH question, first person becomes a second person, you know. I discussed in my previous classes. Where was you, then born, then note of interrogation. My dear students, here in a small family is a small village. Here in a small village is the place, and you will that is the answer of the question. So you will remove the answer from the question. Here where, so where was you born? My dear students, please write down this in your paper. I will clear my board. Please hurriedly write down this in your paper. My dear students, I will discuss another examples now. Then example number 6. The post office is on the main road. The post office is on the main road. The post office is on the main road. Here on the main road is a place, and instead of place you will bring where. Then auxiliary verb is. then subject the post office. Here the post office is the subject. Where is the post office? Where is the post office? Here, then note of interrogation. On the main road is the answer, and you will remove the answer from the question. So our answer is where is the post office. WH word auxiliary verb subject. Then example number 7. You will sit on the first bench. You will sit on the first bench. Then you will sit on the first bench. Here first bench is a place, and instead of place you will bring where. Then will auxiliary verb and modal auxiliary. Where will, then subject you. Where will you sit? Verb. WH word auxiliary verb, subject, then verb. Then note of interrogation. Here on the first bench is the answer, and you will remove the answer from the question. Example number 8. My mother cooked in the kitchen. My mother cooked in the My mother cooked in the kitchen. Here, in the kitchen is expressed here. In the kitchen expresses here the time, place, and instead of place you will bring where. Then cooked is the past form, and because instead of past form you will bring did as the auxiliary verb. Where did, then my becomes your. Because my is the past form and it becomes your. Where did your, then mother. Where did your mother cook? Main verb. Where did your mother cook? Where did your mother cook? Then note of interrogation. Our time is nearly over. Please, my dear students, I will give you now some homework of where. Homework number 1. Homework number 1. I shall go to Dhaka tomorrow. I shall go to Dhaka tomorrow. Then I wrote homework number 1. Now homework number 2. My sister is coming from Singapore. My My sister is coming from Singapore. My sister is coming from Singapore. Then homework number 3. Kazi Nazrul Islam was born at Churulia. Kazi Nazrul Islam was born at Churulia. Kazi Nazrul Islam was born at Churulia. Then homework number 4. Charity begins at home. Charity begins at home. Then homework number 5. The letter is from Japan. The letter is from Japan. Then homework number 6. I am going to Rangamati. I am going to Rangamati. My dear students, our class is over now. I hope you will be fine and fine. My dear students, our class is over, so thank you very much. I will see you again in my next online class.